This kind of food processor has got a motor of about 700 watts. It's very, very powerful. So the way it's so powerful, when you put your blades here, you see these sharp metal blades. It's very heavy. So always whenever you put them in here, the metal plate, because it's heavy, it must always be underneath. Never make a mistake of putting it on top. If you put it on top, because this plate is the one that is responsible for the food processor to vibrate. It makes the food processor to vibrate because it's very heavy. So always make sure that the metal blade is put underneath. If you make a mistake of put it on top of the plastic one, it will fly high and then it will hit this cover. Thank you guys for joining us in this episode. Your support is highly appreciated. If you need assistance with your product, please comment below. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we offer the following services. We sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We educate people on how to use appliances effectively and efficiently. If you want to participate in growing this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.